This is Wash News.
In the headlines, Ghana Health Service reminds regional directors to be alert for cholera outbreak. Sekondi-Takoradi Metropolis observes National Sanitation Day. And global agencies hail Africa's monitoring and reporting system. My name is Jessica Gazy, the news in detail. The Ghana Health Service has reminded of its cholera alerts to all regional health directors and urged the various directorates to enhance surveillance of diarrhea disease with weekly reporting of all cases of acute diarrhea. According to the service, the risk of an outbreak in 2017 has increased with the onset of the rains and potential flooding in some parts of the country. There could be possible outbreak of cholera and other diarrhea diseases when people are also exposed to poor sanitation and open defecation, inadequate supply of safe water, poor food and personal hygiene practices. The service has further directed all regional directors to update their emergency preparedness and response plans on cholera and other diarrhea cases and to also mount public education on the prevention of cholera and diarrhea. The Metropolitan Chief Executive Officer Anthony K.K. Sam has urged the people of the Sekondi-Takoradi Metropolis in the Western region to engage themselves more in the monthly cleanup exercise and also make it a point not to go against the rules concerning the movement of cars during the exercise. This was made known during a media briefing at the Market Circle when the MCE and his entourage embarked on a tour to inspect the area during the cleanup exercise. He said this will go a long way to improve the living conditions of the people and help prevent the spread of diseases.
It's unfortunate that we couldn't stop them at the entry point. We are very grateful to the GPRT for the assistance they gave us, but we want to plead with them to talk to their people. We said no vehicle should move. When you say no vehicle should move, you mean it. Some buses were going to Accra, others were going to Cape Coast and the rest, whilst others were working. If you see such a scene, it's very, very discouraging to those people who are working. People were going to funeral. Unfortunately, we saw ladies and gentlemen, very youthful people, working like that, lackadaisically, not caring whatever was going on. Please, we are pleading with them through the media. They should try to respect the rules of the land. If you do so, you discourage those who are working. We went behind Kojokro Market, the prison officers, they were in the outfits working. Very, very, very nice. You see, but we went to the market, our mothers, our sisters, they were there preparing to take off. That is not the best. We came to Efia, the big drains. Come and see the assemblyman, his youth and the rest. They were inside the big drain working. That shows how willing and happy they are to help the metropolis and to prevent the heavy rains flooding the city. So we are pleading with people that when it is time like this, please, we give enough notice. All of you should come out in your numbers. The implements are there. You go for them, you assist us.
Speaking to the General Manager of Zoom Lion Ghana Limited, Alhaji Abdullahi Abdallah, he debunked the perception that Zoom Lion cannot control the refuse around the market and called on the public to appreciate the efforts of workers of the organization and give them some maximum respect. Meanwhile, some traders were seen engaging themselves in the cleanup exercise, while others were sitting idle waiting for the exercise to end so that they can start their trade. And in the final story, stakeholders from across the globe have commended Africa's trailblazing web-based monitoring and reporting system for the water and sanitation sector. The laudatory remarks were made in Accra during the opening of a week-long workshop on the harmonized region-wide monitoring and reporting framework for water and sanitation sector in Africa. The workshop drew participants from over 42 African countries as well as stakeholders from the global water and sanitation sector. The Pan-African Monitoring and Reporting System serves as a platform to report progress on the implementation of the AU Heads of State and Government Sharm el-Sheikh commitment, which seek to accelerate the achievement of the African Water Vision 2025, as well as the global high-level political commitment on the Sustainable Development Goals on water and sanitation. This is the end of Wash News. A quick look at the headlines. Ghana Health Service reminds regional directors to be alert for cholera outbreak. Sekondi-Takoradi Metropolis observes National Sanitation Day. And global agencies hail Africa's monitoring and reporting system. My name is Sekondi-Takoradi. Thanks for watching.